Computer Basics and Device MCQs. 50 multiple choice questions with answers. Main characteristic of a computer is answer speed. Next, a simple model of a computer includes answer, input, process, output. Next, part of CPU is arithmetic logic unit LU. Fourth, computers are used for problem solving because they follow algorithms. Next, an algorithm is answer step by step processor to solve a problem. Second, first step in a problem solving is answer problem definition. Example of input devices: keyboard. Example of output device: printer. Example of other input method: answer touch screen. Example of storage device: hard disk. Example of primary storage: RAM. Example of secondary storage: SSD. Device using magnetic storage: hard disk. Device using optical storage: answer CD. Example of first generation computer: ENIC. Technology used in a first generation computers: vacuum tubes. Technology used in a second generation computers: transistors. Examples of third generation computer: IBM 36. Technology used in third generation computers: answer integrated circuits ICC. Technology used in a fourth generation computers: microprocessors. Example of fourth generation computers: answer Apple Macintosh. Main features of 50 generation computers: answer artificial intelligence. Basis of computer classification: answer size. Example of supercomputer: Cary. Example of a mainframe computers: IBM J series. Many computers are known for multi-user supports. Example of microcomputers: desktop. One advantage of a computer: accuracy. One limitation of computers: lack of intelligent answer. Example of output unit: monitor. Example of pointing device: mouse. Example of hard copy output device: printer. Example of soft copy output device: speaker. Essential property of an algorithm: fitness. Example of printer type: laser printer. Example of biometric input device: fingerprint scanner. Example of touch input device: stylus. Example of sound output device: speaker. Example of communication devices: modem. Key characteristic of a problem solving using computers: logical steps. Example of high level language programming language: Python. Example of low level programming languages: assembly. Example of portable computers: laptop. Example of graphical output device: floater. Example of monitor types: LCD. Example of wireless input device: wireless mouse. Example of wearable computer: smartwatch. Application of supercomputers: weather forecasting. First stage of problem solving. Understanding the problem. Main advantage of an algorithm. Language independence.